Dear friends, welcome to today's session. Today we will take up another topic from this very great book, The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. Here the author says that whatever your goal is, whatever your dreams are, whatever you want to achieve in life, I am very sure that many people have already achieved the same. So, we have the people around from whom we can learn. We have the books around us, we have the videos, we have the online courses, we have a lot of resources from where we can learn and move towards our goals, and which will help us to understand that how we can achieve our goals, how we can fulfill our dreams in a very systematic and in an easy way, and we can do it much faster than what we could do before. Now, if we take advantage of their learnings, if we take advantage of their experience, if we take advantage from all the information that is available in the books, in the videos, or by meeting such people and understanding from them and learning from them, we will see that life is nothing more than the game of connecting the dots. These dots have already been identified by those people who have achieved success, who have achieved those goals that we want to achieve, and they have put those dots in order. Those dots have been identified, those dots have been organized. All we need to do is we only have to connect those dots. But the question arises that if it is that simple, why don't we do it? So, very simple answer that the author gives here is we are not ready to pay the price for success. That price is we need to invest our time, we need to do some hard work. So, first and foremost, what happens is we don't meet such people, we don't even try to meet them because we feel, why will they teach us? Why will they disclose their secrets? Why will they create a competition for themselves? So these things, they stop us. We even fear that they might say no. So fear of rejection is another very big reason why we don't take the first step, we don't move forward, and we don't put in efforts to meet such people or ask them for guidance. Secondly, this process is bit inconvenient, and nobody likes inconvenience, because I might need to drive a long distance and go and meet that particular person every day. I might need to go to library and search some good books and sit there and invest time, read them, understand them, and learn from them. I might need to cut the time from whatever I used to invest in watching TV, or the time I used to spend with family and friends, and obviously waste it at times in useless gossips. And I might need to invest that time in learning and in some other, taking some other steps that will help me towards the achievement of my goals. Third thing is, I might need to change my lifestyle, I might need to change the way I live my day. That means I need to move out of my comfort zone, and that again is a little bit difficult task, and we don't want to do it. Last but not the least, we don't want to put in all the hard work that is required, but we want success. That doesn't happen this way. We will have to take all these steps if we want to achieve success in life. Everything is ready, everything is in front of us, but we only need to put in efforts, we only need to take the right steps and move in the particular direction that will help in the achievement of our goals and in the fulfillment of our dreams. So that's all for today. I feel this session would have been of some help to you. If you feel so, please subscribe to the channel, and I request you to share this video with your family and friends so that they could also benefit from it. Thanks a lot for being with me till the end of the video. Very wish you the best of luck, and thanks once again. Bye bye.